Good day, everybody. I know over 3 million Nigerian youth apply for the Nigerian Youth Investment Fund, and a lot of them are complaining that they have not been trained. So, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can join the training session that the Federal Ministry of Youth and Sport started on the 7th of December 2020. Today is 8th of December. That is the second day of the training, and I was part of the morning session. And this is about 12:15, and the second session started around 12 noon. So I'm going to show you how you can join the session so that you get trained and get your certificate. So they are doing the training, they are conducting the training on a YouTube channel called Mind the Gap. So I'm going to show you how you can be part of the training by joining YouTube. First of all, if you have YouTube on your phone, you can actually partake in the training with your phone. So you download YouTube. If you don't have, you download YouTube. Then if you have it, you join YouTube. Now look at it. You click on YouTube, then you get into YouTube, then you type the name of the channel, Mind the Gap. There is a symbol, an underscore that is separating the D and the gap. So you put the symbol, Mind the Gap, NG. Then you search for it. YouTube will take you to the channel. Now look at the channel, Mind the Gap. At the top of the screen, you see the channel, Mind the Gap. You click on the link of the channel, then it takes you to the page. So now you look at it. Now look at the page. These are other trainings that have been held and the people partook. You look at it, Build Your Brand and Sell. It's ongoing right now, live. You look at the symbol, live. Build Your Brand and Sell. So they are taking the training twice in a day. And look at the other one, past live streams. Look at it, Mind the Gap. This is one I attended. You can still come back and watch the videos. This is the one I attended.
Okay, good morning, everybody.
That's that. So actually, right now, as we speak, this is 12:17. The second training is going on. So you can follow the video the way I told you. Then actually, when you get to the link, you click on the link and click on the
10% of global rate.
You click on the symbol, this symbol bell at the right top of the link, bell, so that you get notifications. Notify all, so that whenever they are coming for training, you get notification before the training starts. So that's it. Then there is another way you can also join the training through Facebook. When you go to Facebook, you go to Facebook. You go to Facebook. I'm coming. Let me open here. You go to Facebook, then you type the Federal Ministry of Youth and Sport. Now, this is where they drop the link on the 7th of December. They posted it on their Facebook handle. This is the look at the time of the post, 23 hours ago. So you click on it. This is where they said Federal Ministry of Youth and Sport Development, in line with the government Economic Recovery Initiative, has partnered with Google to support 500,000 youths in small medium businesses in Nigeria with training and service across identified sectors on digital marketing skills through blah blah blah. So now this is where they drop the link. Say, look at this top. Say, to be part of the Federal Ministry of Youth and Sport Development Digital First Economic Recovery Program to grow youth-owned businesses on Monday, December 7th, 2020. Look at the link now. You click on this link. This link will directly take you to Google. That same page, that same channel I took you to when I entered through YouTube. So it will take you to that same place. Now look at it. As we speak now, look at the training that was held yesterday. So that's the link. You can, from here, join the present one. You click on the channel, then the same place I took you to. So that's how to join the to join the training. So while you are viewing the training, the live stream, it is actually a live stream. While you are on it, you will see that I'm coming. Let me go back to YouTube so that I take you through YouTube. It's better to go in through YouTube. So, okay, YouTube again. Actually, the network is a bit slow. Look at this. You go back, you click on Mind the Gap. Then, look at it. You see that this one is live. Look at the black symbol here, live. They wrote live here. Then you click on the live video. Now, people are waiting for the trainer to come online. So now you look at the below live chat. You see where they wrote live chat. Look at this. You look below it. You see people commented. You see comments. Few people commented. Some saying I'm from Zamfara State. My name is Mukhtar Nauku from Zamfara State. Some say I'm from Plateau State. When you join the training, they will ask you to comment where you are viewing them from. Then while you are partaking in the training, you keep looking at the comment section. There are some people that are the coordinators that are commenting too. If you drop a question, people will come and answer you. Now you see the name, probably like, for example, you see Yakubu and you see a spanner symbol in front of the person's name. Such person is a coordinator. Now those people will drop a link for you where you can click on the link. Then a form will pop on. In that form, you put your email and some of your details so that they will send you training certificate through the email you provided while you click the link. So that's how it is now. Today is the second day of the training. The training, I think it will take about 4 days. There are some topics still remaining. So I've taken one and I've filled the form so that they will send me the certificate. So I urge everybody to join and be trained. Then tell others too to join and let them also be trained so that they can apply for their Nigeria Youth Investment Fund loan. Thank you.